Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your everyday digital life. Today, we're tackling something simple yet essential: how to sign out of Outlook on the website in 2025. Whether you're using a public computer, switching accounts, or just prioritizing your online security, knowing this step-by-step process can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, open your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever you use most. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as we'll be accessing Outlook online. Next, head over to the Outlook website by typing outlook.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox and emails loaded up. If not, you'll need to log in first, but we're focusing on signing out today. Once you're in your Outlook account, look for your profile icon or picture in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a circle with your initials or a photo. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options like your account settings and help resources. Scroll down or look for the Sign Out button. It's often labeled clearly as Sign Out or Sign Off. Go ahead and click on it. After you click Sign Out, you might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to leave. Just confirm yes, and voila, your session will end, and you'll be redirected to the login page. That's all there is to it. By signing out properly, you're helping protect your email from unauthorized access, especially on shared devices. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the latest version of your browser, as Outlook updates frequently. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.